Okay, in this video, I want to talk about what are the benefits that a new person, somebody that wants to join the locksmith industry, what are some of the benefits that he may have by using locksmith videos online. Okay, locksmith videos online is by far, by a miles, the best tool in the market today for you or for anybody that want to join the locksmith industry that he can use. Okay, before he is joining or after he is joining, what are the benefits that you or somebody that you know may have if you want to join the locksmith industry. Okay, so if you don't know, my name is Moshe. I own a locksmith company. I'm already in the locksmith business for 15 years, and today I own a locksmith company that have 12 working technicians. Now, during the years, I developed a train system, a program that helped perfectly for me and my company, and now I'm sharing it with the world. It helped me grow and scale my business and hire new people that will work for me and my locksmith company. So in this video, I will explain you, if you are a beginner, how it can help you. Okay, so the first thing is it will help you to save time. It will help you to save a lot of time. One of the things that many people are facing in the locksmith business whenever they are just getting in is they need to study everything by themselves. So what does it mean? They go to a job, and what happens is they don't know how to finish it. So what happens is they get stuck. Okay, they get stuck and they try to figure out how to finish the job, how to complete that job. Now, sometimes they have a friend that they can call. Now, that friend, maybe he's in the locksmith business for some time. Sometimes they can call him. Sometimes he will be available to answer their call and give them some technical support, and sometimes not. Okay, so they are relying on other people that will be available to solve their problem. Or they will have to solve the problem themselves, and for that reason it will take them a long time to do it. Okay, so locksmith videos online is a place that have not all of the solutions, but a lot of the knowledge already there. So by using locksmith videos online, basically what you are having is me as your teacher in your pocket. Okay, basically you have me 24/7, and basically it will support you in most of the jobs. Now, once you will be able to use locksmith videos online, then instantly you have access to most of my knowledge, and most of the knowledge that my company, the technicians that are working in my company, are using on a daily basis. And for that reason, you instantly become as a professional locksmith, the same level as a professional locksmith. You will be able to complete professional jobs easily from day one. Okay, so save time. This is one of the biggest things that anybody that is joining the locksmith field can enjoy by using locksmith videos online. Okay, save a lot of time. Instead of being stuck in the jobs, instead of having to rely on somebody to give you technical support, instead of doing few jobs a day because you're stuck here and you go to a different job and then you're stuck over there and you go to another job and then you're stuck over there, you will be able not to be stuck. You're not going to be stuck almost at all. Okay, and for that reason, locksmith videos online will save you a lot of time. Okay, normally, just to let you know, to become a professional technician take about a year to start to be good. If you're good, it take about half a year to a year to start to be good. Okay, so with locksmith videos online, you will be able to be in a very high level from your first day. Okay, from your first day, because you have access to the knowledge. It doesn't mean that you know all of the knowledge. No, you don't know all of the knowledge, but you have access to the knowledge and you can use it whenever you need to. Okay, so basically think about it. If you are, let's say right now, I'm trying to make a key for a Toyota Camry 2008. Do I need the knowledge of how to program a Honda key when I program a Toyota key? So right now I'm working on Toyota. Do I need the knowledge of how to program a Honda key or how to program a Mazda key? No, I don't need. The only knowledge that I need right now is how to program that Toyota key, that key that I'm trying to program right now. And once I finish it, I don't need that knowledge anymore, and I can live my life until I'm doing the same job again, and then I need that knowledge. Okay, so basically by using Locksmith videos online, you're not going to have all of the knowledge, but what you will have is the knowledge, is the access to the knowledge whenever you need to. Whenever you need to, it will be there. So in that aspect, you will be able to complete professional jobs that take normally years just to study from your first day, because the way that I designed the program is that anybody, whether you have experience or you don't have experience, you will be able to be successful on your first day and on your first try. Now, why did I design that program to be like that? The reason is that in my company I had to teach and train people every time. Okay, every time I had to teach them start to finish, and whenever they left the company, all of the knowledge exit from the company, and then I had to do it again and again and again. Now, even the people that were in my company and they stayed in my company, a lot of time they call me for technical support, and I had to support them all the time. So I had to design a system that will be so good, and anybody that will come to my company will be able to start interact with that system immediately, and then from the first moment that they have access to the knowledge, they were able to complete professional jobs successfully without technical support, and they will be able to be in my skill level from day one. So save a lot of time and basically pass the line, become a professional pretty much instantly. The second thing is learning from a professional teacher with a real company. So basically, sometimes you go and you try to study from somebody, and maybe that person is a good technician, but he might not gonna be a good teacher. Okay, he can be a good technician, but to be a good teacher, that's a different skill. So by using Locksmith videos online, you will be able to study from me, somebody that have 15 years experience in the locksmith industry, and teach over 100 people. And today I have a company that have 12 working technicians. Now, I didn't start with 12. I started with 1, 2, 3, and then some people quit, and then I had to start all over again. But over the years I trained around 100 people that had no locksmith experience to become professional locksmith technicians that today are working in my company. So I developed skills and a system of how to teach new people that have no knowledge to become professional. Okay, so by using Locksmith videos online, you will be able to study from me, and I will be your teacher all the time in your pocket. Whenever you need, you just take it out, see a video that will explain you how to perform, how to complete a specific job whenever you need to. Okay. The third thing is learn from the comfort of your home or your office. Okay, most of the people out there, what they do, they want to become a locksmith. What they do, they go to somebody that is already a locksmith, and then they go with his car on a daily basis, few days, and then they try to learn like that, watching what he does. Now, when it comes to teaching, when it comes to training, there is a rule. You see, you hear, and you forget. You see and you remember, but you do and you understand. So in order to really understand something, you really need to do it. Okay, you don't need just to hear it or to see it. You actually need to do it. Now, Locksmith videos online, in additional for the membership that have access to all of the videos, there is a beginner courses. Okay, beginner courses for anybody that wants to join the field, and he can study from the comfort of the home or an office. And if you want to join the locksmith field, then you will be able to study from the comfort of your home or the comfort of your office. Okay? And that way, not only that you will hear me, but you will see what I do and you will see what you do, but you actually gonna be able to practice because before you go to the field. So you don't need to watch somebody else do it, you will do it. You will do it, and by doing it, you will become better and you will have more experience, and you will know how to position your hand and what to look for, and all of the material that I'm teaching my company, a real company, you will be able to benefit from. Okay, so you will be able to study from your home or from your office. Another thing is having the basic skills that most of the locksmith companies would like you to have. Okay, so basically if you would like to join a locksmith company, then of course a locksmith company would like you to have some skills. Okay, of course if you don't have skills and you have some motivation, then maybe some of the locksmith companies will hire you. But any locksmith company would love you to have some of the skills, and by using the courses, okay, that exist in locksmith videos online, and by using the membership, okay, you will be able to come with so much knowledge that some of these people that are working in this locksmith company, they don't have this knowledge. Okay, so by having access to locksmith videos online, you will have more knowledge than most of the locksmiths. Okay, not from all of them. Some of locksmiths are very good, but from some of them. Okay, so whenever you have this knowledge, or whenever you have access to this knowledge, it's much easier for a locksmith company to hire you, because you do have it. You have the knowledge that they are looking for. The next thing is by having access to the membership site, to the subscription based, what you have access to hundreds of jobs, and you will be able to do jobs that professional locksmiths that are years in the business, not for sure they have that type of knowledge. Okay, sometimes people are people, sometimes they can forget. Okay, let's say you are doing a certain key and then you didn't do it for years, and sometimes you can forget how to do it. Okay, so many people are forgetting, or they need to remind themselves how to do it. So you, not only that you're not going to have to spend the time of how to study it, but you actually don't going to have even to spend a storage place to remember all of this, because whenever you have a situation, you're just going to go to that specific job, you're going to take your phone, get access to locksmith videos online, to the specific job that you right now are doing, and you will be able to perform the job start to finish, because for every video, for every job type, there is a video start to finish, how to perform and how to complete that specific job successfully, even if it's your first time. Okay, remember, I did a program and the videos are so good, so high quality, that anybody with or without experience can be successful on his first day and on his first try. Even my mother. Okay, I created the videos in a way that even my mother, even if she never met me before, not my mother never met me before, anybody that never met me before, even if my mother, your father, will be able to be successful on his first day and on his first try. So all of these together are the benefits that will help you as a beginner to start in a much more efficient way. You will be able to save time, money, and all of the things that I just mentioned in this video. And basically that's it. Right now, as you can see behind me, Burj Khalifa, I'm coming at you from Dubai. And as a locksmith company owner, the only way that I'm able to travel the world like this is by having a company and having a system that is working so good that no matter who is joining to my company, he can perform and do locksmith jobs easily from day one. So this system is 100% working. I highly recommend you to use it. Go to locksmithvideosonline.com and you will see it yourself.